I talk a lot about React, yeah, but what's about Preact? Hi, let's talk today about Preact library, 3-dimensional CSS and dragons. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development.
Jeff Burtoft from Microsoft shared his views on next-generation web apps for education. He proposed to become more progressive by using progressive web applications. With progressive web apps, web content gets promoted to application status when the user chooses and the environment allows for it. Another interesting article from Microsoft is Scrolling on the Web, a primer. As we all know, there are 3 different scenarios of scrolling a web page using touchpad, mouse or keys. From the user's perspective, it might look the same, but the truth is far more interesting. Here you can learn more about that. The master detail design pattern is an incredibly popular way to build mobile apps. Therefore, VanToll posted a step-by-step guide for building master detail user interfaces with Angular on Telerik's blog. Here you can read how to build your own Pokemon's database mobile viewer.
One more time Anna Tudor made her mind-blending thing. This time it is 3-dimensional torus made out of segments using pure CSS with CSS variables.
If you're not quite familiar with the grid CSS layouts, then you might be interested in the article How to Order and Align Items in Grid Layout by Nitish Kumar on SitePoint. The author set an example how to align content along the row axis, column axis, and the whole grid. Preact is a small React alternative with the same API. Adam Solow published a series of posts digging into the inner workings of Preact. Part number 1 covers utility functions and global operations. Part 2 in its turn explains the component model.
Rob Dodson has released another episode of A11 Y Cost. In this video he talks about a library called X and how you can use it as a drop-in script as a Selenium runner or from your command line for reviewing your site for accessibility issues.
RxJS is a library for composing asynchronous, event-based code around observing and handling changes value over time. RxJS is not an animation library. Nevertheless, animation serves as a great way to demonstrate the technology, and David Horsheed proves that. One more good article is A Brief History of Random Numbers by Carl Tashian. For most everyday usage, you can feel free to take a random function until you're dealing with sensitive data. There are many variants of random number generation algorithms for different speed, space, and security requirements. You can find out more about this topic on Medium.
A bit of motivational and humorous speech to encourage you to become a better JavaScript programmer. I highly recommend you this talk if you're experiencing JavaScript fatigue. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. This is all for this week. Thanks for watching and stay curious.